Okay, so I'm going to cover these up and let them sit. Do not put heat on alcohol inks right after you drop them in. It will start a fire, which I just noticed. I see a little bleed through right there. These did not turn out as lovely as I had hoped and desired. You can very much see that it is paper with tape on it, so I won't be doing this kind of coaster next time if I want to do something like this. The red, by the way, is Etsy Funshine Color Shop Truly Red, which is not metallic. I added sparkle white, which I could have gotten by with less of that. I had 24 ounces of resin, and I actually put probably about a tablespoon in, and I really didn't need that much. And then I also put probably about a quarter teaspoon of the Garnet Dispersion Color from Counterculture, just to warm it up a hair, because NC State red is kind of a warm red, not a cool red. So we'll see how these dry and cure. I've never really done much with the alcohol inks strictly into clear resin, so I thought I'd just play with that and see what it looks like, just out of curiosity. So I'm going to cover these up, and I'll be back to unmold. I'm going to unmold the exciting one first. And who knows if it's exciting. Kind of pretty. Couple little foam grips. Yeah. I have a few with some overflow I've got to get rid of. This is what I mean by overflow. I've poured too much in the mold. These are a little harder because they're only 2 ounces where you can kind of get it just right, and I moved the coasters because I had so many that I poured, and so it obviously was not totally level.